mysterious this life can be, full of beautiful surprises. I never really knew the man I could be. Dreams that I believed convinced my destiny. I was meant to be alone. But how can you know star looks if you never looked at the sky? I couldn't have told you what blue is till I looked into your eyes. And how soft the feel of a cloud is till I was touching your skin. The world is a wonder of wonders I never seen. I never knew what it was to. If I was a soul you could lean on, if you need someone, something more, you should know my love ain't free. If I was to tell you, if I wasn't down and hurt, icy cold or bittersweet, would you come back for more?